Hello everyone. My name is Padarbind. Today I'm going to give you a very nice idea about simple present tense note 5. Yes, already I have maintained a sequence of note 1, note 2, note 3, note 4, note 5, and here two more notes are there to learn. So why we need the note? Because sometimes somewhere we captures a lot of tense notes at a time and we get confused. But if you study step by step, trust me, you'll have a very nice learning note and you can really educate yourself. Okay, so I'm here to help you out on this note and we'll study specifically about it. Fine. So here let me start this one. This now your class begins here. This online note sessions and simple present tense note 5. So here this tense is used to talk about facts, scientific facts, formula, universal truth, law of nature, and present state, the conditions, the situations what we have right now. So we are going to discuss about this one, all kind of facts. All right. So the structure says, the active structure is subject plus V1. We can use a V5 form, third person singular V5, that is he, she, it plus V5 form. V5 means V1 plus SESIS, like she goes, he meets, it rains, right? So I talk is V1, we talk is V1, you talk also is V1, talk is the V1. Okay. Passive is subject plus is MR, then V3 means past participle form. This is a simple structure the way we go by. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, this is universal truth. And tiger lives in forest, or we can say the forest also, right? Platform ticket is now 50 rupees, the present fact of any country from anywhere, it may differ. He has my number, it's also a fact. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. We can talk, if you put oil on water it floats. Yes, scientific truth. And here it is recommended, subject plus is MR plus noun phrase, that we can go by one kind of structures. It is a house, present fact. What do we see here? So he is a school teacher, so present fact. She is a good personality, the present fact, the way we describe here. So we talk about any kind of facts, scientific facts, for any formula, any scientific formula, research, mathematical formulas, and universal truth, law of nature, and any present state, right? Or present fact, the way we see. So in this way we can use this note, simple present tense. It's a very simplest way to understand about. It's just not at all complicated and difficult. I always recommend exercises after completion of the video. I want all of you to go by the exercises and do it and enjoy it. What are the present facts around you? You just note it down and you have a practice on that. What are your common behaviors by nature? So you can have a note and discuss and speak up. You can definitely improve on this note. What is the nature of a machine, that you can discuss and speak? How does a robot walk? A simple idea, you can take it. If not, then you collect information, then you speak. What are common facts about your city? And what are the incredible facts of your country? What are universal facts known to you? And what do you know about a tiger? Okay, tell us the facts of human mind. And this is the techniques that you need to go by that. And last one is, what the law of nature does a man or woman possess, right? Law of nature. So here this is not a behavioral nature's part and all. Law of nature, I have mentioned it. If you don't have idea, then you can also search and Google and understand terminology to speak about it. So you can prepare a note and start to speak it on this part, and definitely you can have a beautiful speaking skill. And this tense is very really systematic and is really going to help you. It's not like sentence or dialogue based teaching class. It's all about specific reasons of English grammar and communications based class, where you can have your grammatical range and accuracy. You can find accurate knowledge here, actual English learning knowledge. So it's not all about rules and regulations and all, so easily you can understand how well you can go by it. So this is the idea I wanted to share with you today. So thank you. My name is once again Padarbind. This is my website and my WhatsApp number. Okay, so the exercise, the way I suggest all of you, I want all of you to do exercise honestly. Give a pause to the video, note it down, and post and discuss, or you can send information on WhatsApp. And if you are looking for any best of service from my part, I'm ready to provide you. Okay, I'm here to get myself dedicated for you with many videos and all. If you haven't yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe, share with many people, those who are like-minded, those who are preparing for competitive entrance in English, those who want to start English from the as a beginner level, then a intermediate and advanced level. Recently I have started to upload the videos. This time I'm planning to upload many videos. I'm going to teach many of the people and want to help. Yes, so this is the core intention of creating videos, to help all of you. Thank you, all the best, have a nice time, happy learning. And please don't forget to watch upcoming videos, and please get connected with the series. You can also go to the playlist and find the series of videos. Thank you, wish you all the best, good luck.